In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set default email to Gmail. If you've ever clicked an email link on a web page and it opened the wrong app, this quick setup will make sure those links open directly in Gmail in your browser. First, open your web browser to begin. Look to the upper right-hand corner for the 3 vertical dots. That's the main browser menu. Click it to open a drop-down of options, then choose Settings to enter the configuration area where we'll make the change. Inside Settings, find the Privacy and Security section. This area controls important permissions and behavior for sites you visit. Open Privacy and Security, then go to Site Settings. Site Settings is where you manage how websites interact with your browser, including what they can ask to do. Within Site Settings, look for Additional Permissions. This is a group of advanced controls that aren't used every day but are essential for features like email link handling. Click Additional Permissions, then select Protocol Handlers. Protocol handlers decide which application or site is allowed to handle certain link types. For email, that's the mail to protocol, the kind of link you click that's meant to start a new email. Make sure the option labeled Sites can ask to handle protocols is enabled. Turning this on allows websites, like Gmail, to request permission to manage email links. Without this setting on, your browser won't offer Gmail as an option. Now, go to the Gmail website in a new tab. When Gmail loads, look at the right side of the address bar. You should see a small icon that indicates a site wants to handle specific links. It often looks like 2 interlocking diamonds. Click that icon, and you'll see a prompt asking if you want to set Gmail as the default handler for email links. Choose the option to allow Gmail to handle email links by default. Confirm the change by clicking Allow or Yes on the prompt. This tells your browser that whenever you click an email link on any website, it should open a new message in Gmail automatically, instead of launching another app. That's it. From now on, thanks for watching, and enjoy the smoother workflow with Gmail set as your default email handler.